hello to the Hawks at Patricia Duran. Who are the people here at this school who help you learn new things every day? We should say thank you and recognize our teachers more often. That's why a man named Milken created a program 35 years ago called the Milken Educator Awards. And today, an educator right here at your school is going to receive this national award. May I have the envelope, please? The Milken Educator Award goes to Sarah Collins.
We thank you for everything you do for your students, for your schools, for the school community, your interdisciplinary science-based activities, and igniting that spark within all of these kids. And you are most deserving of this exciting award, and you have our heartfelt congratulations.
I'm shocked, had no clue. So I want to say thank you to the staff and students at Herman Elementary. I feel loved and supported here. I work with amazing people. I feel like I can do better because I'm surrounded by amazing people and amazing kids. So as my kids know, I love math and science. We try to find it everywhere. I know that students throughout the school do the same, and we love to learn, we love to celebrate and have fun, and that's what keeps us going every day. So thank you so much for this award. I am just blown away, a little bit speechless, but thank you.